The league is about to start, and as some fans were too, we want to cover a lot of games. But Bafethu, it's not easy because we don't have a sponsor. So we are asking for our donations. Please donate. Any amount will be appreciated. And when you donate, please make sure you use the Capitec business account. Please donate on this account. Thanks, Bafethu.
Welcome to Mavenzo TV. It's the MTN 8, Orlando Pirates 2, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Pumava.
Shababana, Malamlele Finest.
Okay.
Bagania.
Malamlele's finest.
Malamlele Finest.
Yes.
Mapapila. Yeah, all right, Stivo. Orngena Magin same time. Olisanda from Temu.
Yeah.
Olisanda is back.
Yes.
So, Mapagania, I've been prepared.
Yes.
Defender the Pirates, Ikwatu.
Yeah.
They have to be prepared.
Yes.
Because Olisanda is back.
He's back.
So when Olisanda is back,
yes,
it means the Wallo
is back.
Is back as well.
Yes.
So Stivo again. Natsaka man loko iba the team la Orlando.
Scotty.
Yeah, you know why?
Why?
It's because of any team lay Pirates itlanga ku na yona opponent lay itlanga ku na yona Pirates. As long as kurna Kaizer Chiefs fans there, but support that team. I'm telling you, we are going to murder that team. Serious, obvious. You know what, Stivo? When the player at the Pirates, any Pirates player, look Languta Stadium straight.
Yeah.
When they see yellow there.
Yeah.
General. I'm telling you,
yeah,
we murdered that team.
Yeah.
Stivo, today we was not murdering Polokwane City.
Yeah.
We was murdering Avo Makelwane, Kaizer Chiefs.
Oh.
So today, I'm very much happy because of Olisanda, Nungvonin, Uvuini,
yeah,
Maketlen Makaula is back again.
Yeah.
Sisane as well, na ukona. So again. And thanks
yeah,
for our chairman,
yeah,
Mr. Koza.
I'm Jew.
Yo. You know, every day when I wake up in the morning, look on Facebook.
Yeah.
Welcome new player.
Hey.
Welcome new player. Hey, Maroma Kelwane pain.
Just pain.
Always look welcome a player. Whenever feel a pain.
Hey.
Welcome. And even today they were here.
They were here.
They were here to witness those players.
Killer was here.
General was here. General was here as well.
London was here.
Witness Ambule. London was here.
Yeah.
So,
hey.
no one. Donkey.
Wawa was here.
Wawa as well.
Yeah.
We more Wawa as well.
Ah.
Yeah, donkey.
Thank you. Thank you, Red Money.